Ever wondered how cricket fields shine so bright at night? Cricket is more than just a game, it's a spectacle. And behind every thrilling match is a great lighting. In this course, I will teach you how to design professional cricket field lighting design using AGI32 software. We will start with the fundamentals of sports lighting standards, then dive into AGI32 to create, simulate, and analyze a cricket field lighting project from start to finish. You will discover how to model the field, select the right luminaires, position poles, run lighting calculations, and generate professional reports for clients. Along the way, we will also cover advanced topics such as broadcast requirements, energy efficiency, and obtrusive light control. By the end of this course, you will have the confidence to design cricket field lighting systems that meet international standards and present your work with professional reports and 3D renderings with confidence. So, if you're ready to light up the game, join me today and let's design brilliance together. Enroll now and I will see you inside.